All right, Corvette fans, take a look at this one. The latest Corvette in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1961 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Nice looking car, Roman red with white coves. Riding on the wide whites. Chevrolet wheel covers. Great classic look in this beautiful vet. This particular car not being represented as numbers matching original engine or anything. This does have mid-60s era 327 in it. That is paired with an automatic transmission. As you can see, the paint is in nice shape. You are going to find a few imperfections. I'll see if I can point them out for you. Just up in the nose, you get a few rock chips here or there. One here, a little spot here. So I'm going to point those out. So I mean, I would say this is definitely a nice driver. But overall, very nice paint on it. Interior is nice, as you can see. Chrome and bright work in the front, also nice. Something else about this one, it has had power steering added to it, and we'll take a look at that when we pop the hood and start it up. So nice driver. Now if you want to see the still pictures, you can check out the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the pictures on our website. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see up and down the sides of it, not full of dings or scratches or nicks from doors or anything. Your interior is a kind of white and black combination, I would say. Automatic shifter on the floor. The top on this one is white in color. Not perfect, brand new by any means. Nice shape. Will it do the job if you get caught in a little drizzle or rain? You can pop it up. It works fine. And again, you can check that out in the still pictures. I mean, it's not full of holes or rips or tears, but it does show its age a little bit, but will function properly as you would need it. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with getting this beautiful Corvette to your location. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so feel free to ask your sales associate about that when you call in or email. Come around to the rear end again. You can see that the paint has a nice luster to it. Nice shape back here, as well as the bright work. Trunk is nice and tidy and carpeted in this one. Spare tire back there yet too. And again, you can see that in the still pictures. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you there. Call us 507-386-1726. Take a look down the driver's side. Again, see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches of any sort. Overall, very nice shape with a few chips up front is all. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Corvette floor mats. Nice door panels in this one. Seats are in good shape, free of rips, tears, ton of wear, nothing like that. See, it does have seat belts. We'll start this up so you can hear it run. Have played around with this one a little bit. Had the wipers working fine. It appeared that majority of the gauges, except for the tack, notice it didn't look like the tack was working. I did have the radio working. I'll give you a little rundown on what works in here. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Great sounding car. Let's double check that tack. Yeah, appears everything else did except that tack. Again, radio down here. Fan controls. This would be for some outside air. Open up the vent so that is functioning properly. Nice interior. Slip around to the back here. Nice little rumble coming out of that small block Chevy underneath the hood. I'll slip up to the front. I think I can probably pop the hood here one-handed. Electric fan. You can see here I'm talking about the steering. Those have power steering, those added to it. Always nice, tidy engine bay, as you'd expect. Again, mid-60s era 327. The engine decodes as, not representing it as a numbers matching car. So there you have it. See how smooth that runs, how good it sounds. Now, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you to the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to your location. And of course, it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate when you give them a call.